Hello, good morning, all of you. Hello. Hello, mute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hello. So, as I told you yesterday that we will revise the chapter. This chapter is coming for tomorrow's test. So, these are the key points. Main points is Griffin is a scientist. Main character of this story is a scientist. His name is Griffins, and he discovers a rare drug which can make a person invisible. He discovers a rare drug which can make a person invisible. So his landlord dislikes him. Griffins wants to revenge on him. So Griffins is not a good person. He is very intelligent. He's an intelligent scientist, and he discovers a very unique thing, which can make a person invisible. But as a person, if we see, my voice is audible to all of you. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So his
Yes,
landlord
ma'am.
dislikes him, and Griffin wants to take revenge on him. So what he does, he swallows the drug and puts the house on fire. ग्रिफिन्स का जो है लैंडलॉर्ड से कुछ आर्ग्यूमेंट हो जाता है, तो वो क्या करता है कि पहले तो वो ड्रग को स्वेलो करके खुद वो इनविजिबल हो जाता है. ही swallows the drug and he becomes invisible and puts the house on fire. So this you can he puts the house on fire. This simply shows that how lawless he is, what kind of a person he is. He puts off clothes, becomes invisible, and runs away. So just to take revenge on his landlord, he burns his house. Then now he knows that he has burnt the house, so people will run after him. So what he does, he just puts off his clothes, and then he becomes invisible. So with clothes he can be visible. So his body is transparent and his body allows the light to pass through. That is why he is invisible. But if he wears clothes, he will become visible. It was cold weather and he felt the needs of clothes. And being without clothes in cold weather, it's very difficult. तो बहुत ठंड लग रही थी, तो Griffins thought that cloth is very necessary. So he slips inside a cloth store, had meal and slept at night. He has a good time. But what mistake he commits? When he slips inside the cloth store, he has a nice meal and he wears clothes, but he oversleeps. And two attendants chase him in the morning. He was again homeless and clothless. He loots a shopkeeper. So what happens? He enters the cloth shop. He enters the cloth shop and he wears his choicest clothes. कपड़े की दुकान है, पैसा का कुछ सोचना ही नहीं है. He doesn't have to think anything about money. So he wears the best clothes inside the shop, and he has a nice meal in the restaurant that is attached to the shop. It was a big shop and arrangements inside were there for meal also. So inside he had the meal, all kinds of delicious things, whatever he wanted, coffee, cold meat, and then there was comfortable quilt. He slept, but he overslept. And in the morning, the shop opened, and because he was wearing clothes, the shop attendants could see him, and they were very surprised that how a man is sleeping inside the shop. Yesterday they had locked the shop and gone. What has happened? Two attendants chase him. उनको वो दो attendants दौड़ाते हैं. And he was again homeless and clothless. Then he loots a shopkeeper of a theatrical company. पहला चोरी उसने कहाँ किया? Cloth shop में. Then he entered a theatrical company. And then there also he stole the different things from the theatrical company: false nose, mustache, then sunglasses. Theatrical company provides clothes and accessories for drama and all. तो वहां हर तरह की चीजें मिल जाती है. तो Griffins had one problem. He could make his body visible by wearing clothes. What about his face? He has to wear something on his face also to become visible. So he enters the theatrical company. There he gets things to make his face visible also. Whiskers and bandages. He ties bandages around his forehead. Then he gets a false nose. He gets black glasses. Then quick revision of the notes. Main point. This was the summary. We'll see the main points. Two boys on a London street were surprised to see fresh muddy footprints of bare feet. So he enters the theatrical company, and then he all of you, can my voice is audible? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So so Griffin steals many things from the theatrical company, and now he thinks that he has to go to a remote place, because London is a crowded city and the fear of the police is always there in his mind. London is a crowded city. Fear of the police is always there in his mind. So he thinks, why not go to a faraway place where no one can reach? So he decides to go to the village of Iping. Iping जो है वो गांव का नाम है. वो सोचता है कि क्यों नहीं कोई ऐसे जगह चले जाएं जहां कोई उसको खोज नहीं पाए, क्योंकि पकड़े जाने का डर उसके दिमाग में है. क्यों है? क्योंकि उसने अपने लैंडलॉर्ड का घर जलाया है, तो वो जरूर उसको खोज रहा होगा. तो पकड़े जाने के डर से वो सोचता है कि क्यों नहीं एक दूर दराज के गांव में जाके रहे कुछ दिन, और उसको अपना आगे का एक्सपेरिमेंट भी करना था. इनविजिबल बनने का तो उसने दवा डिस्कवर कर लिया था, but how to become visible again, that he had not done. So he wanted to do the new research. Two purpose was there why he went to Iping, remote village. One is he wanted to carry on further research without any disturbance. And second thing is that so 2 points are there why he wanted to go to Iping. First is to escape his landlord, and second why he wanted to go to Iping was to carry on his research. So for both these purposes he boarded a train and he reached the village of Iping. In the village of Iping, Griffins took 2 rooms on rent. He had lot of money because he had stolen money from the shop of the theatrical company. थिएट्रिकल कंपनी के में से उसने कपड़ा भी लिया और ओनर का सारा पैसा भी उसने चुरा लिया. And when the owner saw him, he just hit him on his head. This point also you can write when you write the character sketch of Griffins. All his activities that show that he was a lawless person. He set the house of his landlord on fire. Then he stole money from the theatrical company, and he also stole the clothes. All these proves that Griffins was a completely lawless person. So, and he wanted to use his scientific discovery only for terrorizing people and harming people. So he did not want to use his scientific discovery for any constructive things, only for harming people, only for terrorizing people, only for his own selfish motives. And he goes to Iping. Iping में वो जाता है, एक दूर दराज का छोटा सा गांव है, वहां वो 2 कमरे उसने रेंट पे लिया, और उसकी लैंडलेडी का नाम है मिसेस हॉल. So for a few days he stays there, and there also he becomes a talk of the town. Talk of the town मतलब सारे लोग उसी के बारे में बात करते हैं, क्योंकि एक तो उसका appearance अजीब था. When he entered the theatrical company, what did he do? He tied bandages on his forehead, false nose, always wearing glasses. So all these things gave him a strange appearance. और उसका जो nature था, we are told that he is an eccentric scientist. And eccentric means what? Abnormal. Eccentric means abnormal. His behavior is very strange. In what way his behavior is strange? He never talks with people, he never mixes with people, and he does whatever he likes. He's very short tempered. So all these things make him very eccentric. So he is strange because of his looks and because of his manners. Both are very unusual. Looks are also very unusual, manners are also very unusual. He never talks to anyone. तो शुरू में उसकी लैंडलेडी जो है वो थोड़ा फ्रेंडली बनने का कोशिश करती है. लैंडलेडी बहुत खुश हो जाती है क्योंकि उसके लिए तो एक एक्स्ट्रा सोर्स ऑफ इनकम है. वो विजिटर ग्रिफिन्स अच्छा रेंट वो पे कर रहा है उसको. तो लैंडलेडी इज वेरी हैप्पी. शी वांट्स टू बी फ्रेंडली विथ ग्रिफिन्स, बट ही सेज दैट आई हैव कम हियर फॉर सॉलिट्यूड. वो कहता है कि मैं ज्यादा लोगों से बातें करना पसंद नहीं करता हूँ और मैं यहाँ जो है अकेलापन के लिए आया हूँ कि ज्यादा जो है मुझे डिस्टर्ब नहीं करें आप. उसने मिसेस हॉल को स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड बोल दिया. सो मिसेस हॉल डज नॉट इंटरफियर विथ हिम. हिज डोर इज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हिज डोर इज क्लोज्ड. So for a few days he led a nice life in Iping, but problem started when Griffin's money was finished. जो मनी उसने थिएट्रिकल कंपनी से चुराए थे वो कुछ दिनों में खत्म हो गए क्योंकि एक्सपेंस तो था. He had to pay the rent and he was doing various research, so for that also he needed money. So after a few days what happened, his money was exhausted, money was finished, and then the problem started with Griffin. Okay, hello all of you. Hello, can you hear me?
मैम आप ऑटोमेटिकली एडमिट करने का ऑप्शन क्यों नहीं ऑन कर ले रही हैं? कर रही हैं?
कोई है क्या वेटिंग रूम में?
मैम आप ऑटोमेटिकली क्यों नहीं ऑन कर ले रही हैं ऑप्शन एडमिट करने का? मैम हम तब से वेटिंग में हैं मैम. फिर से मैम जूम पे ऑप्शन आता है मैम ऑटोमेटिकली ऑन करने का, एडमिट करने.
तो टाइम से आओ ना, क्योंकि यहाँ
मैम ये जो लैपटॉप है मैम जूम है, पता नहीं क्यों मैम लैपटॉप में जो जूम है मतलब सॉरी ये स्नैप होमवर्क है मैम, उसमें बार ट्राई करते रहते हैं लेकिन उसमें बोलता है होस्ट इज नॉट कमिंग, नॉट स्टार्टेड द मीटिंग. हम बार ये पता नहीं स्नैप होमवर्क में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है ऊपर से, और जब 9-10 होता है तब आपका मैम आता है.
आज तो थोड़ा लेट हो गया था, कनेक्शन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था. आज तो लेट तक चलेगा भी. हम 11:50 में खत्म करेंगे, 11:50 में खत्म करेंगे. लेट स्टार्ट. अब मीटिंग में भी तो लेट शेड्यूल किए थे. तो your class will continue till 11:50 because it started 10 minutes late, so it will continue till 11:50. So okay, so we'll continue. My voice is audible to all of you? Hello, hello, सुनाई दे रहा है आवाज? बताओ. Hello, hello, why don't you answer? Yes, okay.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, okay शिखा, I will talk to you. तुम क्या प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रही हो हम बात करेंगे तुमसे. Okay, so Griffins went to the village of Iping Griffins reached the village of Iping, and there he took rent, 2 rooms on rent, and his landlady was a very friendly and jolly kind of lady, but he did not entertain her. He said that he wanted to be left all alone. So for a few days, he led a very good life, but problem arose when uh, problem arose when his money was finished. When his money was finished, he started stealing money in the village of Iping. सबसे पहले जो है उसने चोरी किया एक क्लर्जी मैन के घर में. In the village of Iping, he stole money in the house of a clergyman. So early in the morning, the clergyman and his wife, they woke up and they heard some strange noises. So this priest, this clergyman, he took a big poker. Poker means a rod. He took a big rod in his hand because he thought that it must be a robber early in the morning. But when he came down, he did not see anyone. It was so surprising. Noises could be heard, opening the door and the jingle of the money, the chink of the money, the opening of the drawer. All these sounds could be heard. But when the clergyman entered the room, he did not see anyone. And the clergyman and his wife, they were extremely surprised that what has happened, who is there, but they were not able to solve the mystery. And again, strange incident starts happening at the house of Mr. and Mrs. Hall. Usually Griffins never keeps the door open. वो अकेला रहना चाहता, घर बंद करके अब सारा अपना रिसर्च करता. But one day what happened, his door was open. So Mr. and Mrs. Hall entered the room, and when they entered the room, they saw that the bandages and the clothes that he used to wear, they were all lying on the bed. They were lying on the bed, and then his clothes were also lying on the bed. The door was open, and they touched the bed, and the bed was also cold. That means Griffins had left the bed long ago, but they were not able to find out where he had gone all of a sudden. Clothes lying on the bed was cold. And suddenly, all of a sudden, Mrs. Hall heard a sniffing sound, as if somebody is smelling something. Sniffing sound near her ears. And then the bandages came and slapped her cheeks. The bandages came and hit her face. अपने नहीं hat. Bandage नहीं, hat उड़ा था. The hat flew by itself and hit on her face. He was wearing a hat also, the wide brimmed hat. Theatrical company से उसने hat भी चुराया था, wide brimmed hat. So he the hat hit Mrs. Hall on her face, and after that more surprising things started to happen. ये भी बहुत एक आश्चर्यजनक चीज है कि टोपी जो है खुद से हवा में उड़ के और मुंह पे हिट करे. उसके बाद जो है वो कुर्सी जो था उसके रूम में वो भी अपने आप उठने लगा. The chair lifted by itself and hit Mrs. Hall on the leg, and Mrs. Hall became hysterical. She could not control her emotions. She became hysterical. Uncontrolled emotions. Hysterical means because that chair belonged to her mother, and she thought that my mother's chair is hitting me. तो नेचुरल है इस तरह का इंसिडेंट जब हो रहा था तो उन लोगों ने सोचा कि ghosts have entered the house, and they suspected Griffins of putting the ghost in their rooms. So and the chair forcibly they made Mr. and Mrs. Hall out of the room. Mr. and Mrs. Hall को एक तरह से मार के जो है कमरे से बाहर निकाल दिया वो चेयर ने. So now Mrs. Hall was very, very upset. She started crying, and she thought that ghosts and spirits had entered her house and griffins had put these spirits in her house. And then after and she also had an argument with griffins. ये घटना के बाद मिसेस हॉल एकदम अपसेट हो गई, and she and after Griffin stole the money from the clergyman's house, he paid Mrs. Hall. So this was also a very surprising thing. कुछ दिन पहले उसने क्या कहा था कि उसके पैसे खत्म हो गए हैं और उसके नाम से एक चेक आने वाला है, और जब चेक आएगा तब वो पैसे दे देगा. और अब क्या हुआ कि अचानक से चेक आया भी नहीं और उसके हाथ में पैसे आ गए. तो ये भी एक सरप्राइजिंग चीज था मिसेस हॉल के लिए कि कुछ दिन पहले तक चेक आने वाला था, अचानक से चेक भी नहीं आया तो पैसे कहाँ से आ गए. और आईपिंग के सारे लोग जो है वो चोरी का सस्पेक्ट जो है वो ग्रिफिन्स को ही मान रहे थे. Why? Because till now, can you hear me, all of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, आईपिंग के सारे लोग ग्रिफिन्स को ही ग्रिफिन्स पर ही सस्पेक्ट कर रहे थे चोरी के लिए. Why? Because till now no theft and robbery had taken place in their village, and this stranger comes to their village. His behavior is also so eccentric. He does not seem a good person. So due to all these things, they started suspecting Griffins, because by nature also Griffins is not a good person. So they don't have any faith in him. And then all of a sudden robbery takes place in their village. All these years, these kind of incidents did not happen. And stranger comes and robbery takes place. तो बहुत नेचुरल है कि शक ग्रिफिन्स पे जाएगा. तो आईपिंग के लोग जो हैं ग्रिफिन्स पे शक करने लगे चोरी का, और उन्होंने पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म कर दिया. They informed the police, and Mr. Jaffers, a village constable, comes to arrest him. And also in the meantime, Griffins also has a heated argument with Mrs. Hall. Mrs. Hall ने अचानक से जब Griffins ने उनको रेंट दे दिया, तो Mrs. Hall ने कहा कि I have to ask you many questions. You reply to me that how did you enter a closed door? When Mr. and Mrs. Hall were forced out, तो दरवाजा भी forcibly बंद हो गया. उस टाइम ग्रिफिन्स जो है वो अंदर दिख नहीं रहा था, और कुछ देर बाद जब मिसेस हॉल देखने गई तो ग्रिफिन्स अंदर था. So Mrs. Hall started questioning Griffins, that you answer my question, that when I entered the room, you were not visible in the room. I was forced out of the room. My furniture started lifting, and why all these things are happening? And how did you enter a closed room? When we were forced out of the room shut by itself. Then how is it that you were in the room? So all these things are very surprising. The class will go on till 11:50 because it started late because of some connectivity problem. So the class will go on till 11:50. Mrs. Hall angrily she argued with Griffins. अब ग्रिफिन्स तो शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड था ही. ग्रिफिन्स बहुत गुस्सा हो गया, बहुत एक्सेंट्रिक तो था, उसको अपना गलती तो पता नहीं चलता था. तो उसने मिसेस हॉल को बताया कि डू यू नो हु आई एम. एंड व्हेन ही सेड डू यू नो हु आई एम, he removed his shirt, and when he removed his shirt, what happened? His hands became invisible, and then he removed his bandages. And first he removed his bandages. He removed his bandages and his false nose and his glasses. और जब उसने ये सारे चीज को remove कर दिया, so Griffins, what he did is he's removed all his things that he had put on his face one by one. And why did he do so? because he wanted to scare, he wanted to make Mrs. Hall afraid. So just to make her afraid, he started removing all his things one by one. The bandages on his head, the false glasses, the false nose, the hat. And when he removed all these things, what happened? He became a headless person. अब मिसेस हॉल के लिए तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा शॉक था. शॉक तो उनको लग ही रहा था. अपने घर में फर्नीचर उठ रहे थे, हैट उठ रहा था, तो ये सब चीज तो सरप्राइजिंग था ही. बट दिस वाज अ बिग शॉक टू हर. Suddenly Griffins became a headless person. And by this time Mr. Jaffers also comes. Who is Mr. Jaffers? He is the village constable. Mr. Jaffers जो है वो village constable है और वो ग्रिफिन्स को अरेस्ट करने के लिए वो आए हैं. तो अब मिस्टर जैफर्स के लिए भी एक बहुत बड़ा सरप्राइजिंग चीज है कि उनको एक हेडलेस पर्सन को अरेस्ट करना है. बट मिस्टर जैफर्स इज अ वेरी ड्यूटीफुल पर्सन. ही इज वेरी ड्यूटीफुल. Even if he has to arrest a headless person, he will arrest him. And there is a big fight between Mr. Jaffers and Griffins. Griffins, when Mr. Jaffers tries to arrest him, then what he does? He starts removing his clothes one by one. Griffins को लग गया कि अब जो है वो एस्केप नहीं कर सकते हैं, ये मिस्टर जैफर्स उसको अरेस्ट कर लेंगे. तब उसने क्या किया कि एक एक करके अपने कपड़े खोलने लगे. अब उसके पास और कोई ये नहीं था, तो क्या ऑप्शन बच गया? ऑप्शन यही बच गया कि फिर से वो इनविजिबल बन जाए. तो ही स्टार्टेड. मीनवाइल मिसेस हॉल asked Griffins to explain all the unusual thing. Griffins lost his tempers. He took off all his clothes, knocked Jaffers unconscious and ran away. So what did he do? He had a big fight with Jaffers. Jaffers was trying to arrest him. Invisible भी वो था, तो Jaffers अपना ड्यूटी कर रहे थे. इनविजिबल मैन को भी अरेस्ट करने का कोशिश कर रहे थे. और सारे कपड़े रिमूव करके वो फिर इनविजिबल हो गया बचने के लिए. लेकिन Jaffers did not give up. He still tried to arrest that invisible scientist by the sound that he was making, or in some other way he tried to just by guessing where he is, he tried to arrest him. But it's very difficult to arrest an invisible person. In the end, इनविजिबल मैन ने जैफर्स को नॉक डाउन कर दिया. उसको इतना मारा कि वो अनकॉन्शियस हो गया. एंड ही रैन अवे. he just fought with Jaffers, the village constable. Jaffers is the village constable. And he just bet him so much, इतना मारा कि वो अनकॉन्शियस हो गया, बेहोश करके, और वहां से वो भाग गया. So our chapter ends here. All of you, is the chapter clear to all of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So yes, these are the main points. ये हम देखते हैं, आज होगा तो इसको भेज देंगे, पढ़ लेना फिर से एक बार. She and her were attacked by the furniture. It was haunted by spirits. When the clergyman reported the burglary to the police, Griffins was suspected of having a hand in it. सारे लोग जो है उसी को, so the village constable. So our class ends here. Okay. Bye all of you and best of luck for your test.
Ma'am.
Chalo.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye all of you. मार्क्स मैंने रीसेंड कर दिया था दिव्यानी, देख लेना.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, बाय.
Thank you, ma'am.